Hi all, this is Dr. J at 11 coming to you live from Long Island, New York, where it's 8 p.m. on August 9th, and we're going to take a quick look at our three focus stocks of the week. Dr. J is now very bullish on all three. So let's start with CVS. We're going to go to the share screen. It'll take a second. So the three focus stocks are CVS, Geron, and athx. So let's look first at CVS. Okay, first of all, CVS broke through its pennant, long form pennant that took months to form, and it clearly broke through the downward trend line, which started June 22nd, and it nearly took out the July 12th high of $70.34. Very bullish 2 days. I would like to see a continuation, ultimately test this 72 area up here, taking out the old high that I mentioned, and then taking out this high on June 21st of 72.92. So I think it could do that, take out the 72.92 high, go up to about, let's say here, this level. I think it should trade around 73.50, probably in, it's hard to judge the time, but this is a pretty strong market we're in. The NASDAQ, the S&P 500, and the Dow, even the Dow, which is lagging, is turning strong. So I think CVS rises with the market here. Fundamentally, it had a bullish earnings report, up 2%, I think, on the top and bottom lines. So it beat on both lines, and I think the merger with Aetna is going to help them fundamentally. So I see good things ahead for CVS. I earlier was about 50-50, but after taking another look, I am 100% bullish on CVS. So let's continue taking a look at, I am allowed to change my mind. Taking a look at athx. Athx is doing very well since earnings. It broke above its downward trend line, which of course is critical. And it had an inside day today, which is a bullish sign, I think. I would have liked to see it close above the previous day high, but at least we have a bullish Harami type setup, and I'm looking forward to better things out of athx. And finally, let's look at Geron. Geron broke through its downward trend line with a very big, long green candle earnings day, and since made new highs followed by two red candles, a slight pullback, but still very much above its old trend line. I look forward to hover right around this area as it awaits a continuation decision from Johnson & Johnson. So I'm hoping that, of course, that continuation decision will be positive. I think the break of this trend line is a little bit of evidence that it will be positive, along with other factors, fundamental factors. So I'm looking forward to a positive continuation decision shortly, probably way before the deadline, which is the end of the third quarter. I think we'll hear much sooner than that, and maybe even something that we don't all expect, some do, and that is some talk of a buyout. That I don't really expect that, but I wouldn't be shocked. So this is Dr. J bullish on Geron, bullish on athx, bullish on CVS, bullish on the markets, bullish on America, saying good night, saying hasta mañana, saying see you next time, saying I don't know, saying ciao, and waving a goodbye to all.